everyone, Crystal here with another video. Today I'm going to be sharing a design team package that I just received from Ariel, and she is the owner of Creative Mojo Wholesale Studio. And so this is this month's design team kit, and then you can also purchase the kit from her site. I think it's $40, I think. But yeah, my code unfortunately does not work for the kit. However, it does work for the other items in her store. If you just use CRYS10, CRYS10, just to save some extra money on the a la carte items that she has listed in her store. So make sure you guys go check her out. I will link her store for you guys down below. But this is the what the box, this month's box says. It says, "Oh my gosh, it's finally here. This is so cute. Hey girl, hey, let's craft today with these supplies. You are sure to slay. Embellishments, dangles, what will you make? Call up the girls. It's time to create. XOXO Ariel." Isn't that so cute? And that is her YouTube and Instagram, and that's her email. So, oh my gosh, so excited. She always packages it in this super cute box with tissue paper. All right, let's get started. So the first thing that I see in the box is this super cute, these are little glass containers. Oh my gosh, and they have such fine, I don't know if these are like diamond dots or glitter. I don't think it's glitter. Actually, it could be glitter. So it comes in like that magenta color. Here's a purple color, which is really pretty. And then this blue color here. So cute. This is so perfect for all the summer projects that you guys have coming up. You can even use this in like a mermaid theme. So cute. I love these. Cannot wait to add these to like my shaker mixes or sequin mixes. So there's that. And then there are these colors here, which, oh my gosh, you guys, this is so pretty. These are like really pretty pastel colors. Let me just get them out of the bag. Here's a really pretty pink one. And then this like white iridescent glitter. And this like peachy, it's coming off yellowish kind of, but it's peach in person, and it's so pretty. I cannot wait to play with these. I'm actually gonna leave these out so that I can store them in my container that I have with all her other items. So there's these colors here. Aren't they so pretty? Oh my gosh, I love them so much. Let's put that there. So there's those there. And then she has, what's included are these really pretty flat back like embellishments. And they're so yummy looking. Look at this. Oh my gosh, this would look so pretty on a flower center. Or if you just want to accent them throughout your projects. But these are so cute in like these different colors. There's like solids and then these like two-tone ones. Oh my gosh, so cute. And you get a ton of these in there. So I cannot wait to make some flowers. I kind of want to make some flowers with these. That is so pretty. They look like candy. So there's that. And then I'm trying to go through these and see if there's anything else like that. No. Okay, so let's see. There's these really cute rainbow cabochons, you guys, and oh my gosh, these cabochons are so stinking pretty. So cute. Let's get into these cabochons. And I have been trying to get into dangle making, so I'm definitely going to either create a hole, because she did provide a drill in the last kit, and so you can drill a hole and then dangle it, or you can put one of her clear bales that she also offers in her store. I don't know if she has any in there now, but she does offer them. from time to time. So you get 4 of these super cute rainbows. Love that. And then she included these super cute, like kawaii looking cabochons. And oh my god, these are so cute, you guys. Gotta get into these. Let me see. Look with the face. Look at this kawaii face. So cute. And this little sundae. Oh my gosh, just screams summer right here. Cannot wait to try to make some dangles with this. This would be so cute on like the bottom part of the dangle. So pretty. Cannot wait to use those. And then she also, for the charms, let's get into the charms. She gave these super cute cupcake charms. Oh my gosh, these are so cute, you guys. There's also these cupcakes, and you get pink and blue, or pink and green, and then you can always change the color of this by using like Nuvo drops, or I don't know if alcohol markers would work on this, but yeah, you can always change them if you'd like. There's those. And then she also included these really cute ice cream cones. Oh my gosh, these ones are so cute, you guys. Look at these ice cream cones. Aren't they so adorable? I love these cones. Oh gosh. Oh my gosh. I swear, every time I open these, I get like mojo. I get creative mojo out of it. It's so crazy. All right, here we go. And then look at these sundaes. These look. This reminds me of Dole Whip from Disneyland. You know those Dole Whip things? Look, aren't those adorable? That's so cute. They remind me of Dole Whip, and it even has that like heart detail right there. So cute. Love these. So tons of sweets for the summer. And then she gave some of these, because what's summer without a hot air balloon? I feel like that's when like hot air balloons get ridden and stuff. It's in the summer. I don't know. But look, they're so colorful. I love them. You get these ones here, which is like a pink, yellow, and a mint. And then this one is a pink, mint, and a purple. And they're like dimensional. They're not flat. You see how they kind of pop out? Love these. Okay. And then she also, along with the charms, I saw her little sneak peek of these ones, and this is so stinking cute. When I saw these, they're like little umbrellas, you guys. Look at these umbrellas. They already have the like the screw pin on there. All you have to do is get your flat nose pliers or whatever they're called, and like squeeze it just to kind of close that little hole right there. But yeah, so pretty. It comes in all these fun pastel colors. So cute. That one. And then she also provided in the kit, or included, these bows, you guys. And these bows are so stinking pretty. Look at these bows. They come in yellow, a light pink, purple, a pastel purple, blues, mints, and then a darker pink. So cute. And the detail on these, oh my gosh, you guys, so cute. You can see all the like ridges and stuff. It's so pretty. So there are these bows, which I love her bows. So cute. Okay, so there's those. And then she also included this chain here, which is so cute. Look at this chain, guys. I don't want to take them out because they're in here so pretty. But it's, let me take one out actually, just so we can see. It is plastic. And you get this, I think this is like maybe 12 inches of chain. And then you can always, if you don't necessarily have to use one long chain, you can just cut them up. you know, however long you need the piece to be. But yay, I love this. So cute. It's lightweight, so when you do your dangles, it's not going to feel so heavy because the chain is plastic. So that's awesome. So I love that. So cute there. And then to go along with the plastic chain are these plastic lobster clasp. Comes in white, pink, mint, those three colors, white, pink, and mint. So you do get these, and then you can just attach it like that, and this could be what clips on to your project, or you know, anything really. So that's that. And then she gave some of these, which you guys can make some paper tassels with these, or ribbon tassels. It all depends, whatever you want to do. And then you can even, like, see how there's a hook there? You can dangle some more charms, or make even like a dangle with it. So she provided gold and silver. So pretty. Can't wait to use that. And then here you have some jump rings, and I swear these are like, I don't know what size jump rings, but these are huge, and I like them because the ones I have are thick. It's like a thick metal, and these ones are super thin. You can see how thin they are. So cannot wait to play with those. And then she gave some of these heart eyelets, which I always love her eyelets, you guys. They're so pretty. I swear she has, let me see. She has hearts. What else did she provide? Hearts and, what else did she, oh, stars. Okay, so she gave us hearts, stars, and flowers. So now this is the heart one. So I love these. Thank you, Ariel. And then there's this one here, which I'm kind of curious what this is. Let me open this up really quick and just take a peek. Oh, okay. Oh, I think you can, yeah, okay, this is cool. You can make little embellishments. It has a opening here. You can put paper in the inside, or you could not put paper. You can make it as a dangle. See, I think this is a hole. Yeah, so you can hang a jump ring on here and then dangle it off, and then seal this. I'll probably sew mine and just make a super cute little embellishment out of this. Excuse me. Excuse me. Freaking allergies are so bad. All right, so that's what I'm going to try to play with this as soon as this video is over, because I want to play with this and make something and see what I can make out of it. So yeah, guys, that is this month's kit. If you guys want to go purchase the next kit, because I don't know if you purchase this kit, you will get this exact kit. You might be signed up for the next kit, I think, unless she has extras. All right, guys, I will link everything down below for you guys, so you guys can go check her out. Let her know I sent you, because you can't use my code on the kit. But let her know I sent you if you guys want to or not. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I will talk to you guys later. Bye.